up? Today we're going to try a swipe. Basically, you pour a bunch of colors on a canvas, drag one color all the way over. We're going to try the paper towel method, just straight on over, and see how it goes. All these colors that are left over, so we're going to try to use them up. So I'm loving this new tripod. I hope the angle's better. If not, I'm gonna get another one day, but I'm really enjoying this one right now. So the thing is with this swipe is we're not gonna tilt it. I'm really tempted, but I'm just gonna leave it because it's really pretty. And I'm gonna leave the edges. Might paint over it later. We'll see. So, thing about a swipe is you just use least amount of pressure you can and pull it over. I think later I'll experiment more with like curves or pulling in a circle, different angles. So for now, I'm just gonna watch it and make sure there's no air bubbles. And then we'll come back and see how it's dried. Catch you later. Okay, so let it dry for a few days. Check it out. So you can see all the black mostly got pulled up. And then the colors beyond that started to pull up throughout the others. I really like these blue bubblies. These are fun. Thing I noticed with this orange color is it's kind of cracky. So I'm okay being out of that color. I think next time I'll try this maybe with 2 hands instead of 1. So even trying to do the least amount of pressure possible, you can still tell that a lot of it got pulled in a different way that I've seen on various YouTubes and Pinterest, but definitely worth playing around with. And so I think I will definitely try another one. I know there's one out there where you can try it without a swipe color, so I'm just kind of curious what that would look like. And so, of course, there's a ton of different color combinations you can do. This one's kind of more pastel-y and glittery, shimmery, so it's kind of fun. So it was nice to use up all those extra colors. Next week I will be trying a different technique. I'll be throwing paint at a canvas. And this is something that I've kind of wanted to do for a few months. And then just to see how that turns out. And maybe eventually down the line do it like with a spinner technique. You could do it with like a lazy Susan, something like that. So maybe I'll see if I can dig one up. So if you like this week's video, let me know. Hit that like button and subscribe down over yonder, I believe. So let me know what you thought. And if you have any other ideas, let me know. Ciao.